Hello Eric, it's Mark with Taylor & Son Chevrolet shooting a video for you on the 2006 Toyota Tacoma SR5. This is an access cab, has 55,149 miles on it. Give you a shot of the engine compartment here. It's the 2.7 liter 4-cylinder. This is a one-owner vehicle that was extremely well cared for. Glass is great all the way around. Front headlamps are clear. Chrome looks great. Some scuffs right here next to the fog lamp. You shot under the front bumper here. This is the front left tire and wheel. Some corrosion on the wheel. Looking down the side, I don't see any scratches or dings. Looks really straight. It's got the privacy glass. Sliding rear window. Bed liner. It's the TRD off-road edition. Here's the left tire, the left rear tire. And wheel. I just took it on a demo, so it's got some dirt on it. I need to get it washed off. Apologize, it's late and I wanted to try to get this to you tonight. Under the wheel well in the frame. Rear taillights look great. Rear bumper is excellent as well. Does have the tow package. Has a small ding right here. I don't know if you can see that. Little scratch and ding. Mud flaps. Little ding right here too. Very small. Right rear tire and wheel. And again, underneath the wheel well here on the right rear in the frame. Oh, there's a few dents here, little dings back here. I don't know if you can see those. And that is it. Otherwise, this vehicle is super straight. Again, one owner. Interior looks excellent. There's a little area right here on the speaker that I'm going to show you there. Side bolster looks great. Normal wear and tear. I mean, it looks excellent. Carpet's great. This is the driver's seat bolster and the sill. These seat bottoms flip forward, and then there's a storage compartment underneath the rear seat. Well, there you have it, Eric. I'm going to get this video in to Lauren. She'll get it uploaded and over to you, and then follow up with a phone call to see if you have any additional questions. Also, just to make sure that you were able to open it and view the video. Thanks, Eric.